Hello students, today we will start our next chapter, that is p block elements. P block elements in periodic table. If we talk about periodic table, we have S block, P block, D block and F block elements. We have group from group number 1 to 18. Okay, student, in periodic table 18 groups are present, and from group number 13 to group number 18, p orbital, we know p orbital have p subshell have 3 orbitals and 6 electron can be accommodated in it. That's why in this block 6 groups are present. These groups are 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. When one electron is in outermost, then it will be 13 group. When 2 electrons are in outermost p subshell, then it will be of 14th group. If 3 electrons, then 15th group. 4 electrons, 16th group. 5, 17 and 6, it means completely filled p subshell is there, and it is 18th group. Here in class 12th we have 15 group, 16, 17 and 18. These 4 groups which belongs to p block. Okay, 13 and 14 we have studied in class 11th. What is the definition of p block element? When the last electron, which electron? The last electron enters in p subshell, then the elements are known as p block elements. If we see the electronic configuration, then its electronic configuration is ns2 np126. It means in nth subshell 2 electrons are present in S subshell and 1 to 6. It may be 1, it may be of 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 in P subshell. These elements are also known as representative elements. These elements are representative or main group elements, and representative elements actually belongs S and P, both block elements. It means group 1, 2 and then 13 to 18. These all belongs to representative elements. Let's discuss a very important concept, that is inert pair effect in p block elements. What is inert pair electron? As we know, its outermost configuration is ns2 np126. The tendency of these 2 electrons not to participate in bond formation means these 2 electrons become inert, is known as inert pair effect. If we move down the group, let's take an example. We will take the 13 group, that is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. The inert pair effect increases down the group. Why? Because the energy gap between ns and np electron increases down the group, and these electron doesn't take participate in bond formation, and only p orbital electrons, p subshell electrons take participate in bond formation. This effect is known as inert pair effect, and down the group inert pair effect increases. Okay, students. Now the next concept, that is 15 group element. As I have told you, we have here to study 15, 16, 17 and 18, four groups. Let's discuss the first one, that is nitrogen family. 15 group element. These element are different element from, they have a different character. Why? Because of having completely half filled p सबशेल. इस एलिमेंट, इस ग्रुप के एलिमेंट्स के पास completely filled p सबशेल होती है. इस वजह से इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ 16th ग्रुप से कुछ डिफरेंट हो जाती हैं. आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी व्हेन वी विल सी इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी, we will discuss it later. What are the elements? Elements are N, P, As, Sb, Bi. Okay, these have the outermost configuration Ns2, Np3. Okay, students. If we talk about its radius, down the group radius will increases. Why? Because of increase in number of shells. Okay, but if we see the trend, then the increase becomes smaller from As to Bi. Why? Because of having completely filled D and F orbitals. Okay, students, the first member of each group have different properties because of lack of D सबशेल. पहले एलिमेंट में हर ग्रुप में D सबशेल नहीं होती, इस वजह से उसकी प्रॉपर्टी डिफरेंट होती है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी वी विल study here is ionization enthalpy. What is ionization enthalpy? The energy required to remove the outermost electron. ये outermost electron है, इसको रिमूव करने में जितनी एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होगी, that is called ionization enthalpy. And as down the group size increases, down the group size क्या होता है? बढ़ जाता है, और साइज़ बड़ा होने की वजह से न्यूक्लियस और आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन की डिस्टेंस बढ़ती जाती है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ ईजियर टू रिमूव द इलेक्ट्रॉन एज वी मूव फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम इन अ ग्रुप. इट मीन्स डाउन द ग्रुप ionization energy decreases. And one more character, that is for 15 group element, they have higher ionization enthalpy than 14 group element. As commonly the ionization enthalpy increases from left to right. Okay, but in case of 15 group, they have higher ionization enthalpy than 16th group elements. Okay, students, because they, why? Because they have stable electronic configuration, half filled p orbital. It means if we talk 14, 15 and 16, which has the highest? 15 group elements are have the highest ionization enthalpy. The next one, the next is 15 group elements have the property of catenation small. This property present in nitrogen with a triple bond. Okay, here triple bond is present and the same atom are present. What is catenation? Self linkage. Okay, and phosphorus shows maximum catenation, then its catenation decreases down the group. If we talk about oxidation state, then what? Oxidation state +3, +5 and -3. And down the group, stability of +3 oxidation state increases because of inert pair effect. Why? because Ns electron doesn't take participate now in the bond formation, and only Np electrons participate in bond formation. Nitrogen show the oxidation state from -3 to +5. Nitrogen and phosphorus both goes under oxidation as well as reduction. What is the meaning of this? This meaning is disproportionation, means इसका ऑक्सीडेशन भी हो सकता है और इसका रिडक्शन भी हो सकता है. मीन्स ये अपनी ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट को इंक्रीज भी कर सकता है और डिक्रीज भी कर सकता है. हैंस नाइट्रोजन एंड फास्फोरस दोनों की दोनों क्या हैं? दोनों के दोनों डिस्प्रपोर्शनेशन रिएक्शंस को शो करते हैं. लेट्स डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज रिएक्टिविटी विथ हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन के साथ क्या बनता है बच्चों? हाइड्राइड. के हाइड्राइड्स जो होते हैं उनका जनरल फार्मूला यहाँ पर होगा MH3. M इज़ द एलिमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल NH3, PH3, ASH3, SbH3 and BiH3. If we talk about the hydrogen bonding among all these, then hydrogen bonding is present only in NH3. फिर से याद कर लो, फोन FON, फ्लोरीन, ऑक्सीजन एंड नाइट्रोजन, ये तीनों एलिमेंट हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग करते हैं. हेयर इन NH3 नाइट्रोजन present, hence it will make the hydrogen bonding and its property become different. They have higher boiling point because of hydrogen bonding, more because of hydrogen bonding. As we move down the group, boiling point increases down the group. Why? जैसे जैसे साइज बड़ा होता जाएगा, साइज बड़ा होगा, okay, then what will happen? The van der Waals force of attraction increases. That's why boiling point increases. Here the exceptional case is NH3. Why? Because of presence of hydrogen bonding. It is in mid because of hydrogen bonding. Because of hydrogen bonding, it shows higher boiling point rather than it should have. The next is bond angle. Here bond angle decreases down the group. Bond angle decreases down the group because they have a lone pair, okay, and the bond angle, how NH, if we see the pyramidal shape, then because of this lone pair this happens. If we talk about electronegativity decreases down the group. नाइट्रोजन की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी यहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा होती है, एंड लोन पेयर एंड बॉन्ड पेयर के जो है वो नाइट्रोजन में द लोन पेयर हैव मोर रिपल्शन दैन द बॉन्ड पेयर. इसीलिए बॉन्ड एंगल इज़ द हाईएस्ट इन केस ऑफ NH3. दैट्स द रीज़न. डाउन द ग्रुप इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी कम होती जाती है. वी टॉक अबाउट बेसिसिटी. व्हाट इज़ द बेसिसिटी? इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर को डोनेट करने की टेंडेंसी. फॉर एग्जांपल NH3, these lone pair will donate it most radially. That's why it is the most basic. Hence basicity decreases down the group in the hydrides of group 15. This trend is very important. Which among these is the most base? NH3. Why? Because it can donate the lone pair, Lewis concept, Lewis base acid concept. Okay students, the next we will talk about here oxygen. Oxides will form, and oxides may be trioxides or pentaoxide, M2O3 or M2O5. Character: the acidic character of oxide decreases and basic character increases down the group. Halogens. Halides are formed. Same, the halides may be of trihalides or pentahalides. Trihalides are covalent. They have sp3 hybridization and pyramidal shape. For example, PCl3, NCl3. Pentahalides are Lewis acid. Why? Because they can accept the lone pair. Their 5 valence electrons uses in formation of bond, and they have vacant d orbital. They have vacant d orbital and their 5 electrons. The 5 valence electron uses in bond formation. That's why Lewis acid. They are Lewis acid. The hybridization is sp3d and the shape is trigonal pi pyramidal. For example, PCl5. Okay, students. Let's take the next one. The next one is nitrogen. The first element has different character. They have different character. Why? Because of small size. It is the most important. They does not have d orbitals. D orbitals are absent. It has high electronegativity. Electronegativity बहुत ज़्यादा है and ionization enthalpy is also very high. That's why nitrogen is different from all other elements of group 15. Okay, students.